Welcome to the event venue of the century for Retox Retreat. I can't wait to show you. So kind of a little bit of a cribs thing here. Kyle and myself, we're gonna show you around the house. We're gonna tell you about some of the activation areas, why this is going to be the best event of 2024 to end our year. But without further ado, come check out the crib.
Aaron, shut the f*** up. Got the main room. This is where all the good stuff's gonna be going down. This is an area where people from brands, partners, creators can come and improve their brain, their body, and their business all in the same day. Our man Marcus on the mic. We have Baron Davis. We have Boss Everline. We have an amazing lineup of panelists coming through for the day. And this is where all the real good stuff's gonna be going down. We have early morning yoga, breakfast and networking, first thing in the morning. Everything is gonna be provided to you, catered breakfast, lunch. We wanted to create that space for people to be able to come and build connections and community like you would at a conference, but in an area like this, where you can improve your brain and your body at the same time and just do some really cool stuff, meeting some really cool people. Aaron, you have some big bad panelists coming through or what?
Oh boy, just you wait.
It's gonna be good. This is where we're gonna be having our wellness wing and our creative studio. We have the sauna here. We're going to be converting the plunge pool here into an ice bath. We're going to be doing similar treatments like that this time, but again, offering massages, facials, whatever can make you feel better. Boss, Everline, and the Just Train team are going to be set up here throughout the day with a lot of their partners like Sonabox, C4, Vitamix, whole slew of different brands and partners that they are partnered with to help improve this space and really make it one badass wellness wing.
So many stairs. All right, completely out of breath. Clearly Kyle is much more in shape than me. But listen, this massively beautiful space, this house, this entire event, Retox, is for you. This is your space for the day. The brands you'll meet, the people you'll meet is far better than anything else you could be doing with your time on Wednesday, the 30th of October.
Will be the best one yet.
This isn't going out to everyone. This is a curated event. This is invite only, application only. If you're on the list and you're watching this video, make sure that you're here.
There you have it. That's the house. Those are the details. That's the event. Again, October 30th. You don't want to miss it. We are making this event for you. It's going to be great. But for now, you got to get out of here. We don't have the house any longer today. We'll see you back here on the 30th. Get going. Get out of here.
Bye. Hey, we'll see you October 30th. Have a great one, guys. See you guys later. Bye.